feeling pretty good. Follow me on TikTok and you'll see the short film that I did post there this morning. Can't stop smiling because I look so good, guys. But hold on, let me finish my hair. Nah, because when I start hitting the universe crazy like this, imagine Asia with a bang. Starting January 2024, I will be taking monthly solo trips or doing something with myself monthly. So let me cut this real quick. Okay. Tried to cut it a little bit. It ain't gonna be perfect. Damn. It is some fine ass men in this world. Yeah, enjoy the video. Please feel free to like, comment, subscribe. Just because you weren't expecting it. Here's my outfit of the day. And I will see you guys later. I want what I want. Today I'm feeling my favorite crab dip. I literally went grocery shopping yesterday. I was a wax specialist at European Wax Center, but I got fired March 8, 2023.
It's cool when they do it. It's a problem when I do it.
Even took it upon myself to obtain a right to sue letter from the EEOC, so I do have that. We can get into that another day. Today, I'm just show you guys what I was doing for the last 2 to 3 years or so before March. Let me drink some water first. I could be stirring my wax while I'm talking to y'all. If I got a $10,000 deposit right now, women can policy is as long as you have a tampon in, you can get waxed. A lot of women, me personally, I would just never do that. Just do my brows. This is a 5-pound bag of wax. This is a 5-pound wax pot. That 5-pound bag of wax was $92. And you can do probably if you're charging $60 per Brazilian and you're doing about, first of all, 10 Brazilians out of this one pot, that's $600. You just made your money back 500 times more off of this one little pot. It's as simple as that. New gloves, ready? Realistically, in a perfect world, I want a spoolie to brush them up. I'm using this mirror for a better look. I'm gonna take the pre-wax cleanser to cleanse the area of any makeup, dirt, oil, I'm gonna use this pre-wax oil to protect the skin. This creates a layer of protection between the skin and the wax. This is second. Pre-wax cleanser, pre-wax oil. I like to put a little bit of powder because the oil might make it a little too oily. I know it sounds crazy. Then you go on with the wax, and then you go on with your aloe or your moisturizer of choice. I have 3 minutes left on here, so I'm gonna hurry up and get it done. Wax cleanser. Wax oil. Of course, I'm gonna dab that excess oil off. Put a little bit of powder. Just trying to get that oil off. And then I'm gonna one rub. Lift the roll up. Lift the roll up. Yeah, pressure. We're good. To the other side. Okay, top. Baby, I see. When I clear some storage, come on, don't talk to me, but talk to me. Let me know how you feel about it. Hold on a second. Let me do the other side. I can really just do a whole leg right now, too. My last video, I said I'm not drinking. I said I'm not taking any more shots unless I'm having sex. Didn't say anything about wine coolers, so it's so fire. Salad with shrimp and crab meat. So sorry, but this man said, girl, I want us hanging in the summer like a ghost. Girl, I want to slide in your box like a vote. Tryna have you coming out your shell like the yolk.
I done gave her the keys to the house. Might as well go and get a code to the safe. 1,000 in my hand. $500,000 to the chain gang, yeah, the can. Another $500,000 spread it on my hands. Yeah, that's great, but can you cash it?
To get real good. I can feel it.
You know, a lot of girls be. This is not to get confused. This one's for you. Baby, you my everything. Moves that we made, they ain't get it. Yeah, it's for the family. I just got come from the planet. They can't understand it. Mess up every day, I feel like a bandit. Me and my brothers like it's a movie. I call me some cannon. No, I'm not a nigga, but I keep me some cannons. I'ma keep going and sand it. First I spit it like it's my last. Niggas be pussy, cat skin. Rappers on my ass like bad skin. Mama said he got bad friends. Eating good like Pac-Man. That stinks in the trash can. Trash can, like the plan. Hey, baby, I'm the man. Quick way to understand. Niggas had like I'm dirty then. I've been praying for my twin.
Another God exclusive. You are now listening to DJ 1023.
No one falling. Not from this planet, I'm not from this solar. And ain't somebody that's colder. Yeah, she get colder from the soldiers.
Y'all, I don't think I'm too good to work, but it's like, I want my work to be done in this room right here, in this second bedroom right here. I want to make my rent money in this room right here. I want to make that shit in this room. I love digital remote opportunity. I won't stop. So that's my only source of income. I need to get my desk. Thanks for staying with me all these years. But I just figured the fuck out, man. I'm about to tweak out. Capitalism can kiss my ass. Capitalism can kiss my ass. 9 to 5s can kiss my ass.